welcome back to One Hot Bite. Melissa here, where healthy doesn't have to be boring, and I'm going to show you how today we are making whole wheat zucchini pancakes. So it is basically like a zucchini bread without all the fat and all the sugar and all that craziness into these delicious power-packed breakfast pancakes like zucchini bread or banana bread. You're gonna have those veggies, nice good fiber in the whole wheat flour. So again, we're all about nutrition here, but having a little fun. So we're gonna get these rolling today. I wanna thank you so much for being here. And I'm gonna teach you some tricks along the way today on how to make this healthy grab and go pancake. You can even freeze these. They're super easy to freeze and you can save them and have them made ahead. So on a super busy morning, you can have a power-packed breakfast. So if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below, smash that like button. So let's get cooking. Okay, we're gonna start with the usual suspects here, some whole wheat flour, and then I have baking powder, baking soda, and salt, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And of course, a little bit of sugar has to go in there, a little brown sugar and regular sugar, but not that much when you compare it to banana bread or zucchini bread like we talked about before. This is room temperature, low fat buttermilk. That's what makes these so fluffy. We have 1 egg that's gonna go in here and a little bit of vanilla. We're gonna whisk this together. So we have our dry ingredients and our wet ingredients, just like any baked good. And here's our butter. We are gonna make this. You can use a coconut oil in this as well, but I really like the butter in this. It really adds that nice rich flavor. We're gonna add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. And you don't have to whisk this, just really fold it together and don't over mix it or over beat it, and just make sure that everything is moist and incorporated. Now, again, I called these zucchini pancakes because we are missing our zucchinis. I have finally shredded some zucchini, and don't take the skins off, leave the skins on. We're just gonna fold this into our batter. Now, all of the ingredients are listed below. You're gonna see that I used half of what is listed below. I did for 3 servings. Everything I have below is for 6. So as soon as this is incorporated, your griddle or flat top or wherever you want to cook these needs to be about medium heat. And as soon as it is up to heat, we're gonna go ahead and you wanna do about 1/3 of a cup for each pancake. And I went a little heavy on the first few that I put here. But you just, again, you can either get a measuring cup out or you can eyeball it. Either way, I kind of was eyeballing on these. As soon as they're brown and bubbly, brown on the bottom, bubbly on top, we're going to flip them over. They're going to have that wonderful brown crust on top. And we're going to cook these. This is about 3 to 4 minutes on each side if you're into timing it, but you really can't go wrong. They turn out beautiful. We're going to stack these up. You can keep them warm in the oven. Again, like I talk about freezing them, I'll talk about that later. A little butter and that, oh, so good, slow motion maple syrup. You can use any syrup you want on this. It's just really good. These flavors go together so well. You can opt in or out of that butter, so that is not a have to. And that is included in the calories that I talk about later here. We're going to slice these open just so you can see how that zucchini is set all the way through. And these are still just so hot and steamy. Look at that. Oh, now that's a stack of pancakes. I don't know about you, but this is the best stack of pancakes I've ever seen. So as you can see, we have the little bits of zucchini in there, so you get that nice green veggie texture that's gonna happen here, but yet, we didn't use a lot of sugar. If you want to use honey or something like that instead, you're more than welcome to, but let's give this a taste. Oh boy, this is so yummy. Okay, let's give it a taste. Yep. That's really good. I just like a wonderful slice of zucchini bread. It's not as sweet as most zucchini or banana breads or anything like that, but that's where the syrup comes in, and you can pick any flavor you would like. That is one incredible breakfast. So a serving size on this, according to the calories I'm going to give you, is 4 good-sized pancakes, just like I have here. 4 is a lot. You know, if you're gonna put it with, if you're just gonna have this for breakfast, then, you know, that's a great breakfast. We're gonna go 318 calories on that. It's packed with protein, it's packed with vegetables, it's packed with fiber, definitely packed with flavor. So this is great. If you wanted to, you know, just have 2 pancakes and maybe some eggs or ham or bacon or something on the side, you're more than welcome to do that. You cut your calories in half. But this is an incredible breakfast. And like I say, you can go ahead and freeze these. Just put them in a Ziploc bag, reheat them about 20 seconds, 20 to 40 seconds in the microwave. Put your syrup and butter, if you like, on top, and you got breakfast in 20 to 40 seconds. And it's power packed and it's healthy. So you guys have a wonderful week. I love you guys. I'll see you next week.